grabbed by everybody. Kick. No. Reload. Get in your drone. What the fuck? Hey, what's up guys, it's Upper Tofu, and today I'll be playing Resident Evil 4 Remake. The game's coming out real soon, but I'm going to be checking out this demo for you guys real quick. And see what we have in store for us. Capcom.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella.
Big dude.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me.
Okay.
At least I kept my mind off everything.
They're
If I
really
could
going
just
at
forget
it.
what happened that night.
They're really trying to kill each other.
Pain. Even for a second. This time, it can be different.
Ada, no!
It has to.
Ada always survives though. She's always surviving. Alright, it's been 6 years since Leon S. Kennedy survived the Raccoon City incident, an unprecedented biological catastrophe caused by the Umbrella Corporation. Having distinguished himself as the U.S. Special Agent, he is tasked with locating the president's missing daughter. The search has brought him to an isolated village in Europe where intel suggests that the kidnapped girl was last sighted. Even Leon's past trauma could not prepare him for the nightmare, the insanity he would find there. Chapter 1. Alright, Leon. Check your corners. Up, down, up, down.
How far could he have gone?
What the hell? Oh, that's nasty. Jeez. Jeez Louise. That's what my Aunt Nellie makes for breakfast. Uh-oh. Okay. They pan to the house. Gotta check the corners though. Always gotta check your surroundings. Alright. Nothing. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this door. Okay.
Anyone home?
I hope not. Check your corners. What the hell? Oh, it's got a little message here. My Spanish friends, I'm gonna need your help real quick. Se acerca el juicio. I don't know what that means. If you guys can tell me, that would be awesome. I think that's Spanish at least. They speak Spanish in Europe, right? Oh. Okay. Whoa. Lots of deadly weapons over here. Check your corners. Alright, what's this say? Hasta el fin vivemos contigo, no temeremos. Man, I don't know what that means, but need some help down here. Alright. I'm gonna need some help with the reading real quick. Check your corners, Leon. Oh! Ooh! Ooh! What a creepo waiting at the door. What's he saying?
Sorry to barge in like this.
Bro just ignored Leon S. Kennedy.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Aquí. Contigo veremos, no seremos. Se la quiera. They always be saying stuff in Resident Evil too. Don't ever know what that means though. Mario Fernandez Castaño. Rest in peace, my bro. Shit. Come on, Leon. Come on, Leon. Fucked. Yeah, oh shit. What are those voices? Gotta get the freak out of here. Hunter's Lodge key. Give me that.
Not good. Man, that stinks.
Aunt Nelly making some fish soup over here. What's this? Is this Mario? Oh yeah, that's Mario. I'm sorry, Mario. What's this? Okay. Use the hunter's key, let's go. What the hell? What does that say right there? Talia confer en la llama. Okay. Those, dude, I really want to know what those mean. I cannot. Oh, hell no. Alright. Check your corners. Check your corners. What the hell is this body doing? What the? There's a rat. Okay. What does that say? Huh? This rowdy? Okay, can't be. Why am I in here? There ain't no president's daughter in here. I'm sure she'd be screaming for help. Oh, hey. Mario. It's me, Mario. Mario. Oh, he kind of looks like Mario too. Oh shit, the radio's coming from the controller.
What's your situation?
Uh-oh.
What the hell's going on?
Uh-oh. Mario. No. Okay, I don't want to look at that for too long. Uh-oh. It's telling me weapon ready. That can't be a good sign.
What was that?
Hell no. Check here. Oh!
No fucking way.
Ah, my body! Run. Go, Leon. Go, Leon. Go, Leon. Go. Oh, shit. Is he behind me? Can't open doors, can you? Oh, get the hell out of here, Leon. Ooh, green herb. Alright. Run. Alright. Ooh, close that door. Ooh. Yeesh. Jeez, who's that? Is that Mario's sister? Valdello?
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Okay.
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
She's looking
Our
fine.
intel is correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up. Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are.
Uh-oh. Oh, hell no.
Gotta go. Talk later.
I don't want to fight you. There's 2 of them? Oh, there's 3 of them. There's 3 of them.
Let myself out.
Come on, Leon. Let myself out, baby. Let's go. Let myself out, motherfucker. Yeah, get your Mr. Clean ass out of here. Get your Mr. Clean ass out of here, creepy, crickety crook. Ooh. Head for the lake, yes sir. That was a blood trail. Alright. crow. Handgun ammo. Awesome. Okay, nice. Saving. Okay. Can't save in a demo though. Got some gunpowder. Okay. I'm making some stuff. Check your corners. What the? Who's talking? No! I can't save him? Oh man. Check your corners. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, more ammo? Wow, that's a lot of ammo. Oh, he took out his gun. Crouch. Okay. What the f- RE stock? Get your RE stock out of here. Run. Uh-oh. Get the freak away from me, boy. RE stock. Oh yeah. Gangsta style. Bitch. Oh, hell no. You ain't squirming. Alright. Got these IES style motherfuckers out here. Okay. Here, got some items in here. Oh, hit me! Oh, gangsta style. No! Ooh, a back roundhouse kick. Damn, I got smacked though. Red herb. Flash grenade. More ammo. Alright. Let's reload up. Load up real quick. Here we go. Shit, something fell. Goodbye, world. Oh, no, no, no. Hey, dude. What's that light over there? Oh! No! Oh, I guess. Kids. Fuck! Get fucked.
Here we go.
Fuck! Uh-oh, there's too many of them. There's too many. Run! Run, Leon, run! What the? No! Huh? Judo throw! Fuck. Reload. Hell no, what the? Run! I need some ammo. Red herb. Did I grab it? I did not grab it. He's not dead? Okay, hold up. Hold the phone. Alright, gotta use... Need a free... What's this? Pesos? ¿Qué es estas? Chainsaw Man. Oh, his eyes. Oh no, he's coming at me. There's a bear trap here. Gangsta style. Oh, get away. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
You gotta be kidding me. Get the freak out of here. Man, they're coming from everywhere.
It's my lucky day.
Oh my god, just pesos? What's this? Oh my... Fuck. Run. Run, Leon, run.
Oh, nice.
No!
Way's closed.
What the? Hell no. Give me the freak out. Give me the freak out. Nos paramos. Freaking sidelights. Brown chicken egg.
You gotta be kidding me.
Shit. Fuck. I'm trapped. No, what? No! No! Nah, not like this. Let's run that back. I'm sorry, dude. Get over here. That's what you get for cooking me. Nasty fish stew. Nasty Aunt Nelly. Yeah, that's right, boy.
Here we go.
Freaked. No. Judo throw. No! Freak, freak! You ain't coming back. No! Why am I getting grabbed by everybody? Kick! No, no, no. Reload. Get in your ground. What the fuck? I tried to kick her! Where'd you come from? Oh, I'm missing. Focus. Focus, Leon.
Next.
Oh. running. Out. Get this. Oh, get me out. Oh, close the door. Oh, they got Mono over here. Mono's back with the vengeance.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. It's my lucky day.
Okay, push. Get me up. I am not dealing with that. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Grenade. And grenade. No! Get out of here. I'm out. Bro! Hello? Is he dead? Hell yeah, dude. Jump off! Ah! I tried to jump off! Yeah!
Fuck!
Did you die? Why can't I jump off? Oh, not into these guys. Climb. I can't climb? Oh no. Reload. Flashbang. No. Why aren't you dying? Run! I hit the chains. Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, I'm trapped. No! No! Get off me!
You're shitting me.
Get that! No! Not like this! Not like this! Let's try. Let's try. Oh! Fuck! Oh shit! Ow! Not done with you.
Huh?
You're gonna go to church with a bloody mouth.
La campana
La compadre.
al que obedecer.
Oh my god.
Los invoca.
Oh god. No sirvo. Ti llama. Tenemos
que servir.
Man, shut the freak up. Now please go enjoy your church. I'm going to kill every last one of you. Jesus. Whoa.
Where's everyone going?
Oh.
Bingo?
Bingo!
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll be making some more videos when the game actually comes out on the 24th, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for when I upload those videos. Hope you guys have a good day and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.